guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a cozy day. So I want to show you guys a day in my life in Finland. So now I am at the museum. I am with my classmates and we are doing painting and drawing activities. I don't have class after lunch. After I have lunch, I can go back home, which is so good. I have a pimple here, so I stick it. Snowflake, this is snowflake. This is the picture I drew in the morning. I paid and painted all and I drew them all. I will put somewhere. I am gonna put this here. It looks good, but I don't like it, so I'm changing the places. And I'm still not satisfied yet, so I'm moving it to another place, but it works, so I'm gonna leave it the first place here. This is the view from my room. It's snowing. Do you guys see? Hey guys, so it's already 1:30 in the afternoon. Now I'm making a French toast as a snack. food is ready. This is a French toast I have made so far. It is so easy and delicious recipe. Now I am at the supermarket after my work because I have some errands that I have to run. So let's see what I am buying. Now I am back home. It's already 5:30 in the evening, so I'm getting a few rest. Then I will make a dinner for myself. Now I am making bulldog noodles because I'm craving spicy food. I'm a little bit lazy to make healthy meal, so I make the easiest one. I'm not used to eat spicy noodles or noodles because it is unhealthy for me, so I only eat 2 times even in a month. So I never choose to eat spicy noodles or noodles even I am lazy, but today I'm craving. Now it's 10 p.m. so I'm doing some walks. I have to done, then I'm going to sleep. Now it's time to go to bed and I'm going to sleep. Thank you so much for watching my video and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye!